What if you could practice English every day without feeling embarrassed or judged? I started using ChatGPT as my English practice partner, and today I'll show you exactly how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Astamita Talks. I am Astamita and I am from Odisha. Like many English learners, I wanted to become more confident while speaking English. So I started using ChatGPT not just for asking questions but as a tool to practice my English. I'll show you 5 simple ways I use ChatGPT to improve my English, and most importantly I'll give you a live demo of each method so you can see exactly what you can do with ChatGPT and try it yourself. Point number 1, use ChatGPT as your conversation partner. The first way is conversation practice. You can tell ChatGPT, talk to me in simple English, ask me questions one by one and correct my mistakes. And that's it. You have an English practice partner. And point number 2, ask ChatGPT to correct your English. The second way is correcting your mistakes. You can write something in English and ask, correct my English and explain my mistakes in simple language. Let me show you a quick example.
So here in ChatGPT I'm writing I am got to school, correct my English and explain my mistakes in simple language. So it gave me like that. I am going to school is the right one. I am got to school is the wrong one, and it explained me briefly in simple words that where I am wrong.
And that's it. You have an English practice partner right now. This is really useful because you are not just getting the correct sentence, you understand why your sentence was wrong. Point number 3, learn useful daily sentences. The third way is learning sentences that you can actually use in daily life. Instead of memorizing difficult vocabulary, ask ChatGPT, give me 10 simple English sentences that I can use in daily conversation. I'll give you a demo.
Here I'm writing on ChatGPT that give me 10 simple English sentences I can use in daily conversation. And ChatGPT will give me thoroughly the 10 sentence that will help me in daily conversation. See, there are 10 simple English sentences.
These are much more useful because you can immediately start using them in real conversation. Point number 4, improve your vocabulary. The fourth way is vocabulary. Whenever I find a new word, I can ask ChatGPT, explain this word in simple English and give me 5 everyday examples.
Okay, if I don't know the meaning of existed, then I can simply ask ChatGPT that explain this word in simple English and give me 5 everyday examples. See, it will give 5 everyday English examples. See, and it briefly explaining the meaning of existed.
This makes learning vocabulary much easier because I am learning the word in context instead of simple memorizing its meaning. Point number 5, practice speaking without fear. And this one is probably the most important speaking practice. Many people know English but hesitate to speak because they are afraid of making mistakes. With ChatGPT, you can practice repeatedly. You can say, act as my English speaking coach, ask me questions and help me improve my answers.
So here I'll ask ChatGPT that act as my English speaking coach. Ask me questions and help me in improve my answers. So what happened? And yeah, he gave me the answer that okay, it will work as my coach.
You can make mistakes here. You can try again. Nobody is judging you. And with regular practice, speaking can gradually become more comfortable. So these are 5 simple ways I use ChatGPT to improve my English. Conversation practice, correcting mistakes, daily sentences, vocabulary and speaking practice. But remember, ChatGPT is not a magic shortcut to fluency. You still have to practice, speak, listen and keep learning. Use ChatGPT as a tool, not as a replacement for real communication. If you are also learning English, try one of these methods today and tell me in the comments which one are you going to try first. Subscribe to Astamita Talks for simple and practical English learning videos. Let's improve our English together, one conversation at a time.